In the heart of Ratanakiri, where the rivers run, Katian whispers secrets to the setting sun. Underneath its folds we found a love so true. In every drop of water I found a piece of you. By Kachan's edge we danced in the spray, bathed in light as night turned into day. With every gentle breeze your love touched my skin, and in the rush of water our hearts began to spin. Where the rivers flow and the forests sigh, our love is written in the sky. Like waterfalls will never fall apart. In Ratanakiri, you hold my heart. Through each drop that falls from high, our love will echo, never die. By John's mighty fall we stood as one, a bond as strong as the waters that run. And in ocean there's quiet where the world fades away. Our hearts found peace where the waters lay. Through the mist and the cool of the evening air, our love grew deeper, more than we could bear. By Baloy's calm stream we walked hand in hand. In Malik's roar we made our final stand. Through every fall in love we remain, forever bound by nature's sweet refrain. Where the rivers flow and the forests sigh, our love is written in the sky. Like waterfalls will never fall apart. In Ratanakiri, you hold my heart. Through each drop that falls from high, our love will echo, never die. Each drop of water a kiss from above, each roaring cascade a testament of